Tired of messy email lists, invalid addresses, and spam triggers? We've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing our Email Tools web app, your all-in-one platform to clean, verify, and optimize your emails in seconds. With our app, your email marketing, outreach, and lead generation become faster, smarter, and more efficient. Each tool in our Email Tools web app is designed to streamline your email workflow efficiently. The Email Extractor allows you to pull email addresses from text, documents, or URLs effortlessly, saving you hours of manual work. The Email Validator checks addresses using multiple providers to ensure accuracy and reduce bounce rates. The Format Checker scans for typos, syntax errors, and invalid formats, preventing costly mistakes. The Domain Validator verifies whether an email domain is active and legitimate before you send messages. With the List Separator, you can categorize emails by domain, making it easier to segment and manage contacts. The Deduplicator instantly removes duplicate emails, ensuring a clean and organized list. The Email Permutator generates multiple possible email variations based on a name and domain, helping with outreach and lead discovery. The Role Detector filters out non-personal addresses to ensure your messages reach real decision-makers. The Spam Trigger Detector scans email content for words and phrases that might cause deliverability issues, helping you avoid spam filters. Finally, the Email Content Extractor pulls relevant, readable content from emails, making it easier to process and analyze messages. These tools work together to enhance accuracy, boost productivity, and optimize email management. Don't waste time on bad emails. Try our Email Tools web app today and supercharge your workflow.